Hello, welcome to Craft Time at Houston Public Library. My name is Miss Leona from Collier Regional Library, and today we're going to make something special for school since it's just starting. What we're going to make is a zippered pencil keeper. And all you're going to need is a zippered quart plastic bag, some scissors, and some cool duct tape, all right? So let's get started. This is what the end product is going to look like, but we got to see how we do it. So we're going to take our plastic bag, and you want the zipper on the top. Okay, there we go. And we're going to get some duct tape. Now you can use whatever kind you want, and I'm going to use a blue one, and we're going to just strip it. We're going to pull it across, and you want it to be right underneath the zipper. We don't want the zipper to be affected. We're gonna cut it off. You can also tear it, but I'm not as good on tearing. So we're gonna put one, and I'm gonna put one at the bottom. You can decorate it any way you like. See, you're just overlapping it. All right, and then I'm gonna use, the other color I have is purple, so I'm gonna use that. Now we're going to flip it over. Now you want to keep it on something that's not going to stick like this is a plastic lid from a storage container, because if it's on paper it will stick. So now we're going to take the other side and we're going to put our duct tape again. Just going to line it up where it was on the other side. So we're going to have it double-sided. Okay, we're going to put it right on the top here again. Right underneath the zipper, like on the other one. Then we need to put our purple on. And you can use whatever colors you want. And you know, there's lots of great colors that you can get with duct tape. So however you want to do it. So we're pushing it down. Okay, now you got both sides. You can see both sides are done. But we don't want to leave it with it jaggedy like that. So let's rub on the edge here. So we get it, we know where the edge is, and we're going to cut it right along the edge. Now, you don't want to cut the bag itself, just right along the edge. And then see this side, see the line there? I'm just going to cut, let me just push it down one more time. Okay, now we're going to cut right along. Now, we can stop just like that, but it would be fun to have like something on the edges. All right, so let's get the edges, let's put some more of this on the edge. But we don't need it quite as long, so let's take it just about that long. And I'm gonna cut it in half. Okay, so I'm gonna go like this, and you can actually tear duct tape. See, like that. All right, so we're gonna take it just half. We're gonna take half on this side, push it down, and then turn it over and flap it over so both sides have it. Okay, then we'll take this one. Same thing, we're gonna go half. Push it down, fold it over, and we have some nice edging. All right, so you can leave it like that, or you can add some decorations. Like I have this little one, I'm just gonna put like a little X, but you can cut them as thin as you want. I actually have one from before. I'm gonna cut them in half. I'm gonna make a little X. But you can make your own name. You can make little designs. Like this one had, I put a little heart and a little happy face. But now you're all set. Now the only thing you don't do is you don't put any here because you want it to stand up. So we can unzip it. You can fill it with your pencils and it can stand up. So I hope you enjoy this craft and let us know if you do it. Thanks for coming. See you later. Bye.